Is it so
How to get a customized
hard?
show-ready makeup look with the Dior Backstage line.
You found out to love me.
On Bella, I use the new Dior Backstage Face and Body Glow. It's my secret weapon for a naturally radiant skin. To achieve a luminous complexion, I first like to warm up the product between my hands. You can wear this product alone or mix it with the Face and Body Foundation for more coverage with a softer glowy finish. Here, I'm mixing both products as I apply them all over the face and neck. For the eyes, I use the new Cosmetify palette to create the perfect smoky eye look. First, I prep the eyes with the primer.
Hold you.
Then, for a light smoky eye, I create the base with a shimmer bronze shade all over the eyelid and on the outer corner of the eye.
Tell me, does she love you like the way
I use the top coat platinum shade to give dimension and shine to the eye. Then I prep the lashes and coat them with the Dior Show Pomade Volume Mascara. For a bolder smoky eye look, I intensify and sculpt the eye with the shimmer rust shade on the outer corner and at the roots of the lashes. Then I draw my customized black liner by mixing a bit of black shadow with the new transforming Shadow to Liner gel. Et voila, you have your customized, show-ready makeup look.
nobody needs you?